The vicious baby stalks his prey, as his prey unknowingly wags her tail. She hears him coming even though he crawls ever so softly. She takes refuge behind the recliner, a trademark hideout for the puppy dog. But the ever-clever baby sees right through her dirty tricks, and he goes behind the recliner. He peeks underneath the recliner to make sure the puppy dog is still there. The puppy dog goes behind the sofa. The baby is forced with a dilemma. He is forced to go over the Winnie the Pooh chair or turn around and go get the puppy dog the other way. What will he choose to do? He seems to be distracted. A huge hunting flaw of the baby, easily distracted by toys that make noises with bright colors.
Well, you may have been a bit silly, Daddy Pig, but at least you're not grumpy anymore.
Oh, the baby doll. The baby takes a hefty spill, but looks as though he's gonna be all right. He seems to be interested in the television now. He goes back onto the Winnie the Pooh chair. It goes against everything the cameramen do for the national baby graphic videos. But we're going to move the chair in an attempt to help the little baby get the puppy dog. This is it. He's closing in. He's going to get the puppy dog. The puppy dog seems trapped. He's going for the tail. Once he gets the tail, it's all over. It's okay, Pappy. Let the baby pet the puppy dog tail. Come here. Come here and let him get you. He's hunted you like such a good sport. The puppy dog has given up. She knows that her defenses are rendered useless. And the baby goes in for the pet. Oh, and it's an aggressive pet. Look at him go. Oh, maybe even a hair pull or two. What a good baby hunt. He's captured his kill. And the poor puppy dog has fallen victim to the little baby. Oh no! The puppy dog got away from the baby. Going under the bouncy. The chase continues as the puppy dog has gone all the way under the table where the hunt first began. The baby is in high pursuit now, aggravated that he's lost his pet. Stalks carefully and slowly to ensure this does not happen again. The baby has no distractions along the way. Surely the puppy dog is in for it now. Pappy, don't you growl. Be a good sport, honey. Let him hunt you. Come here. You're doing very good. Thank you, Pappy. Let the baby get you, Pappy. The baby wants your tail. Oh, don't pull. Be gentle. If you were gentle, Pappy, don't growl, honey. Okay, Tater, I don't think she wants us to chase her anymore, baby. I think the hunt is over. Pappy, you've been a very good sport. Thank you for playing along. Don't growl at him, okay? He's just a baby, Pappy. He's just a baby. Come here, Tater. You gotta let Pappy escape, okay? She's been a very good girl, so we can't get her anymore. Good girl, Pappy. Good girl. Thank you for playing. What you got over there, Bubba?